Hello darlings, welcome to Fast Fit. Are you thinking why you should consider eat real food? Then you are in correct video. For more, like the video and comment down what type of content you would see at this channel. So now 5 reasons why you must eat real food. 1. Loaded with important nutrients. Natural creature and plant food varieties can assist with giving nutrients and minerals you need for ideal well-being. For example, 1 cup, 149 grams of red ringer peppers. Kiwi, 180 milligrams, or orange cuts, 165 grams, contains over 100% of the RDI for nutrients. Eggs and liver are particularly high in choline, a supplement fundamental for legitimate cerebrum work. Furthermore, a solitary Brazil nut gives all the selenium you need for a whole day. Indeed, most entire food sources are acceptable wellsprings of nutrients, minerals, and other valuable supplements. 2. High in fiber. Fiber gives numerous medical advantages, including boosting stomach-related capacity, metabolic well-being, and sensations of totality. Food sources like avocados, chia seeds, flax seeds, and blackberries are especially high in solid fiber, close by beans and vegetables. Devouring fiber through entire food varieties is superior to accepting an enhancement, as it keeps you feeling more full more. And you additionally get the additional supplements from the natural product or vegetable. 3. May help prevent overeating. According to research, a high intake of processed and fast foods has been linked to a higher rate of overeating, particularly in those who are overweight compared to those who are not at a higher weight. By contrast, real food doesn't harbor the sugars and flavorings that load down processed foods and may drive overeating. 4. Gets the focus off dieting. An eating fewer carbs attitude might be unsafe in light of the fact that it restricts your concentration to your weight. Indeed, great nourishment is about substantially more than getting more fit. It's additionally about having sufficient energy and feeling great. Zeroing in on eating adjusted dinners, wealthy and leafy foods as opposed to counting calories can be a considerably more feasible and charming lifestyle choice. Rather than having weight reduction be the center, let weight reduction come as a characteristic result of a supplement-thick eating routine and worked on metabolic well-being. 5. Helps lower triglycerides. Blood fatty oil levels are unequivocally impacted by food consumption. Since your fatty oil levels might increment when you burn through sugar and refined carbs, it's ideal to limit these food sources. Furthermore, including natural food varieties like greasy fish, lean meats, vegetables, and nuts has been displayed to fundamentally diminish fatty oil levels. So people, that's it. Now you know 5 reasons to eat real food. So consider to include them to your life. For more, subscribe to Chanell and comment down what type of content you would see at Chanell. For now, have a fit day.